Hello guys, I'm glad to see you. Today I'm gonna show you how to export GIF from Figma. Okay, first of all we need to open Figma app or website, click on plugins, click on manage plugins and find plugins motion, UI and games animation. Open this. Wait. Okay, looks your animation. Next we need to click on export GIF from this template. Total animation, yes. This is speed. What you want, let's 30 pixels. No, repeat. Let's repeat. Best quality, of course. Export and wait some minutes. The rendering file on server. Download file. Okay, let's open our file. And it's look like this. Okay, we just export GIF from Figma. Okay guys, thank you for the watch. Have a nice day.